Hello guys, today I got two sharpening stones. It's a finishing stones, Japanese natural stones. The first one is a Maruka. It's I think a hard stone and old stone, so you may see the huge scratches. It was mined many years ago. It's old mining. It's a very nice surface. The back surface is very nice. And this stamp Maruka, I little bit water and you may see exactly the stamp Maruka. But there is one problem, it's a broken stone. For razors it's quite good. It was the sign before it was broken, it's 20 centimeters, but just now I plan a cut maybe like this, and I will have a small tomanagura, but maybe I will cut, I don't know, I will cut this stone. Okay, but I will test before, and how it will be works, I will think what should I do. The next stone is also Maruka stone. There is some scratches, but I think it's not inclusive. Also it's a hard stone, also old mining, big scratches from the stone. It's also have a stamp, but it's a not good. You may see, not good. So it's very old, and you leave the stone, the paint. Okay, it should be polished, lapped, and then I will do a sharpening test. This stone is 8 centimeters wide, more than 14 centimeters length, and thickness about 15 millimeters, but this stone is wide 7 centimeters. The length I don't know. It was 20, but just now it will be about 16. Maybe on smallest side it's 12. Very interesting, very nice stone. I will lap it, these stones, and test it. So see you. Thank you for watching. Bye.